name is William Labbancz. I'm the real estate broker of Sailwinds Realty. Today I'm going to show you how to find a referral form using TransactionDesk and their Instinet form section that they have. So this referral is just for any agent who is sending a lead from one brokerage to the next brokerage. And I've gone ahead and logged into TransactionDesk. On the left-hand side, you'll see Dashboard, TransactionDesk, Authentisign, Instinet Forms. Select Instinet Forms, and that will take you here. In a search bar on the right, type in referral, and you'll see that it will pop up here. And we're going to create a new form, new standalone form. And we can go ahead and start filling in all the information. Broker A refers prospect, that would be whoever you're referring to, broker B, and you want to just fill in your compensation model, your percentage or dollar amount, or if there's any other additional terms. And broker A will need to sign this. This will need to be the actual broker, and then broker B, who you're referring it to, their broker will need to sign that as well. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or contact me directly.